Hey, I'm Brett, and today I'm going to show you a bike deck on 2007 Matt Hoffman trucker. First, I'm going to start out on the seat. I got a Bell seat here from Walmart. Cost me about $10. Then I got the Hoffman grits, the Hoffman lever and cord. I took the front brakes off, uh, and then I have a 3312 chain gear setup. I got just the regular stock Hoffman pedals. I got a Bell tire with my skid mark tire that came with the Hoffman. Was getting badly. It was losing tread a lot bad. So I'm gonna get a new tire and hopefully a pivotal seat. Besides this pivotal, but it's not really pivotal. It's just a stock, but. And then I got the stock Hoffman rims. I got like the money valve covers. That's about it. And then I have some Thor stickers on it. So yeah, that's about my bike. And that's it. Thanks for watching.